Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to implement a Java program to find the duplicate elements in a given array. Let's take an example of array having the elements 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 2. You can easily say that the duplicate elements in this array are 5 and also 2. So let us practically implement this program using Java. First we'll add a main method. We'll declare and initialize an array. We name it as A of integer type. We initialize that array with the elements 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, 2. To find the duplicate elements in array, we need to take each and every element in array, compare with all other elements. We'll take 5, first element, compare with remaining elements. Next time, we'll take 4, compare with all other elements. Similarly, we repeat this for all the elements. For that, we need two for loop. Let's add a first for loop for int I is equal to 0. As array index starts with 0, we are initializing I with 0. I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now we have the first element. We need to take the next element from the array. Now we need to compare this first element with all other elements using second for loop. Let's start a second for loop for int j is equal to I plus 1. J less than array dot length j plus plus. Now finally, we just need to compare if a of I is equal to a of j. This condition is satisfied, then we can print the element in that index as a duplicate element in an array. Let's run the program. 5 is duplicated in array, 2 is also duplicated in array. Program is perfectly working fine as expected. So far so good. Let us debug the program so that we can understand this logic in a better way. You can see that the program control reached the debug point at line number 7. First for loop. You can see that the elements are stored in array with index 0 to 5. First time I is having the value 0 and j is having the value 1. Array of 0 is equal to array of 1, that is element at 0 and 1. 5 is equal to 4 if condition is not satisfied. So we don't print anything here. J is incremented by 1 now. J is having the value 2. So now we will compare 5 with a 2. Now again the condition is not satisfied. So we don't print anything. J is again incremented by 1. J is having the value 3. I is still at 0. So we again compare 5 with value at array index 3. That is 8. Again the condition is not satisfied. If condition is not satisfied, J is incremented by 1. J is having the value 4. So we compare 5 with value at 4. Index 4 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. We entered into if condition and we print 5 is duplicated in array in the output. Now j is incremented by 1. J is having the value 5. Therefore, the value at index 5 is 2. Y is equal to 2. The condition is not satisfied. J is incremented by 1. So it is 5. 5 less than array dot length. Condition 5 less than 5. So this condition becomes false. Second for loop is terminated. Now the control goes back to the first for loop. I is incremented by 1. I is having the value 1. J is having the value 2. So we compare 4 with 2. 4 is not equal to 2. If condition is not satisfied, so we don't print anything. We increment j by 1 again. J is having the value 3. I is still at 1. So value at 3 is 8. 4 will be compared with 8. If condition is not satisfied, 4 is not equal to 8. Again directly j is incremented by 1. J is having the value 4. Value at index 4 is 5. If condition we check, is it 4 equal to 5? The condition is not satisfied. Then j is incremented by 1. J is having the value 5. Value at index 5 is 2. I is still at 1. So we compare 4 with 2. If is 4 is equal to 2, the condition is not satisfied. So in this iteration we don't print anything. Directly the j is incremented by 1. J is having the value 6. 6 less than array dot length. This condition becomes false. The for loop is terminated again. I is incremented by 1. I is having the value 2. This loop continues until we compare each and every element in array. Finally, we print output is saying 2 is duplicated in array.
Thanks for watching.